Hi everybody, Miss Emily here with another first author mini lesson. Who in here is an author? I'm an author. Remember, we're all authors, so we all are able to put our thoughts down on paper. Today, the purpose of this lesson is to talk about how we can write big sentences. I write big sentences, first author mini lesson. Remember, a sentence is a group of words that go together. Sentences start with a capital letter and end with punctuation. Authors can use special words to put two ideas or sentences together and write big sentences. And is a special word that joins two or more ideas that are the same together. For example, my dog is cute and likes bananas. Another special word authors can use to join sentences together is or. Or is a word that brings two or more ideas together that are different. You could listen to music or you could read a book. Today, I did a little writing about thunderstorms, and I tried to use the words and or in my sentences to make them big sentences. See if you can find the word and or in my writing. Started with my name and the date up at the top, and then I began to write. Thunderstorms can be cool and scary at the same time. Thunder can be loud. The loud noise can scare some people or make some people excited. Lightning can make neat designs in the sky and flash bright lights almost like fireworks. Do you think thunderstorms are neat or do they make you scared? My dogs are scared of thunderstorms and will hide under my bed. Thunderstorms do not scare me, though. Time to write some big sentences. So now it's time for you to write. Don't forget to share your work with me. See you next time.